This tiny orange fluff is currently living my absolute best life and absolutely refuses to apologize for this legendary level of banana greed. A tiny human leads a choir of white fluff as the puppies start to howl and the baby joins in with joy. This little blue tank has two settings looking absolutely adorable and full chaotic zoom eyes. Watch him transform from a polite pup into a blurry bolt of lightning in less than 15 seconds. This kitten just discovered a worthy opponent in the mirror and decided to launch a full-scale fuzzy investigation. From tactical paw taps to a dramatic glass boot, it is clear that Reflection Kitty is not backing down. Someone please tell him he is winning. The gang leader has officially emerged from his cage and he is not looking for cuddles. With those fierce eyes and that heavy stomp, local treats are definitely in danger tonight. Stand back or prepare for the ultimate fuzzy judgment.
Поняла, что такое взрослая жизнь. Это постоянно что-то болит, денег нет, ты не можешь видеть поддружак из-за работы, и постоянно надо идти в магазин.
This tiny fluff has clearly seen the secrets of the universe or perhaps just a very tasty treat. Either way, those giant eyes are currently downloading more data than my ancient home router can handle. This tiny backpack is officially overflowing with pure chaos and whiskers. Good luck choosing just one when they all look this guilty. Behold the ultimate canine transformation gallery where high fashion meets pure existential dread. We start with a poodle rocking red boots and matching ears looking like a strawberry sundae. Then the vibe shifts. Enter the tiny wolf who clearly did not sign the consent form. That wide-eyed stare says it all. From runway ready to witnessing the unspeakable one snip at a time.
يا آل بيت النبي السيد العربي لكم مدت يدي ففرج كربي لكم مدت يدي ففرج كربي.
That orange cat is clearly hitting the gym because those feline muscles are definitely popping for one tiny snack.
Size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that? Food.
Nhiều chuyện ghê.
Behold this majestic beast tackling her dinner with the intensity of 1,000 suns. She does not just eat the pâté, she becomes one with the bowl while ignoring my very existence entirely. Casper seems quite unimpressed by Mello attempting those chaotic floor acrobatics during their fight. It looks like one.
Uy, Dache, bakit nandyan ka sa labas? Ha? Uy, pasok na. Tamo, hindi pa talaga yan tatalon. Saan ka nag... Tamo, Isus, nag-aantay ka nang papasukin. Oh, sige na. Pasok. Dache.
Witness the feline botanical enthusiast.